Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to balance the routes between two cars. So the first thing we have to do is to run the optimizer and to add the feature of capacity. So we have here the advanced options, add capacity. So it will create these two columns. We're going to use this example of this data. I'll just click here, make it more fancy. Great. So as you know, once we have the coordinates, we just have to run it again in order to not geolocate and to spend time. So we can see here that everyone is right. Everyone is geolocated perfectly. And then we'll set the fleet. And we have vehicle 1 and vehicle 2. So we have to define, for example, the capacity we have 18 stops. So we have to put, for example, 9 weight, 9 capacity here. And we just have to, on weight, add 1 to each one. So the system will get that for in each car, we are just able to allocate 9 places for each one. So the routes will be balanced. In order to make it, to get a little bit of balance in order to improve the optimization, because this is a restriction that probably will affect the performance. Let's say, let's put it 12 and 12, and let's see what happens. So next thing, we just have to set the stop time and to run the optimization. So we'll see how the stops, how the cars will separately will balance the routes between these, with taking into consideration these. As we can see, in the route 1, we just fill 8 positions, 8 stops, and the vehicle 2, 10 stops. So that's it. We want to modify this. We just have to run the fleet, and let's say, okay, let's make it equal for each one car, and let's see what happens. And we'll have here 9.9 stops and 9 stops. Obviously, we can see that distance at the end are so I'm just showing you that there's an effect. More or less, it's the same. It's very similar because they're very close. But as you could see, there's the way we can balance routes, stops between the cars. Hope it helps. Thank you.